Did y'all miss me? Hey, see, the cool thing about retail arbitrage is that I'm about to do a late night workout. Well, not a late night because the Goodwill wouldn't be open right now, but I'm about to do a workout. And first, I'm about to go into this Goodwill and do some retail arbitrage, you know? Like, so, I mean, that's what I mean. I just incorporate it in my everyday life, you know? So, let's see what I can find in here today. The color of the day is blue. I can see it from here. Check it out.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Knock this out really quick. We're gonna knock this out really quick. Let me show you guys something. Well, I'm not even gonna show you yet. I'm gonna wait till I get to the house. Let me see something. Hold up. How much is this one? How much is that one? $10. All right, so I basically just made. We haven't been in. Literally, I wasn't even here for 5 minutes. I swear to you guys. I just made over $100 in profit. Over $100 in profit. I wasn't in here for 5 minutes. And yeah, over $100 in profit. I'm about to buy everything. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. I'm gonna show you when I get back to the house. I'm gonna show you exactly what I got. I'm gonna show you the stats, the numbers. You already know. Two of them I'm gonna be selling used, and I'm still gonna be making money. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the house. And I'm not even done looking, man. But I think it's a hit today. That's a hit. Really quick. That's a hit. That fast. It's that fast. I made over $100 profit right before I went into the gym. Like. It's that, I mean, that's not the life, man. It's the life, I'm telling you. Like, it took me 5 minutes to find that stuff. Literally 5 minutes to find that stuff, guys. And I made over $100, probably over $120 profit. Maybe even over $130. I'm gonna do the exact math when I get to the house. I'm gonna let you guys see everything. But I'm about to head in the gym right now. And that quick, that's how fast it is, guys. So I'll see you when I get to the house. Okay guys, so I fell asleep last night. I was tired, alright? But let me show you guys what I found last night. Let me show you. Alright, so we're gonna pull out the handy dandy app here, alright? So let me pull out the app. Let's see what the first item is. I'll show you guys. This is what's possible though, okay? Things like this is very possible. Now, the first item I got is this bad boy here. It's in a box. Let me see. Let me open the box. It seems to be new. There's a manual in here. The whatever this cassette that comes with it. There's also like plastic around it. So it seems to be pretty darn new, if you ask me. The manual's in there. Everything's in there. It's this little thing with the manual's under that. Yeah, I checked it. I only opened it just to see if there's any stickies, any Goodwill stickies inside the box. Gotta watch out for that. Now, let me show you how much I'm gonna make on this one, guys. As you can see, I bought it for $2.99. I got this one for $2.99. All right, and if we go to new here. At new $2.99, it's going to make me $5.11 right there. Okay, so $5.11 in profit, and I bought it for $2.99. I bought it for $3, and I put $3.50. I actually put $3.50, even though that's not even tax, and it's not even light as it's lighter as a feather, so it's not gonna cost anything to ship really. So I still put $3.50, and it's still giving me $5.11, when really it's $3. But I'm just gonna say that. All right, $5.11 I made on that one, guys. Only spent $3. All right. Here is the second item right here. It's in plastic, as you guys can see the glare. It's in plastic still, brand new. It's a Wi-Fi USB adapter. I got this for $8, and this is this exact one. Let me show you guys what it's going for. Go to my favorites here. I got it for $8, and here it is right here. It's 500 in PC with 1,000 reviews, guys. 1,000 reviews, so you know it's 500. You know that's the real BSR when there's that many reviews. And guys, so if I click, look, I bought it for $8. I'm gonna make $20 in profit, guys. $20 in profit. That's a nice flip right there. Over 100%, 200% ROI right there, guys. It's gonna sell really, really fast. This already sold. Great BSR, great reviews, brand new. Not much more you can ask for with this one. All right, $20 profit. Bought it for $8, guys. All right, now those are both my new items. Now we're gonna get into my 2 used items. So what do we have so far? We have $20 in profit, and we have $5 in profit, and we only spent what, 8, 9, 10. We spent what, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11. And we're looking at $25 in profit. All right, so that's profits, guys. That's not total. That's not the total amount. If it was the total amount, it'll be what, 30 something, right? But we're at $25 in profit. Now, here's my 4th item, guys. This is a used item. Let me open it. Well, it has the manual. It has the manual and everything in there, but I don't know. It could be new. It might have plastic. This actually might be new. There's plastic on there. I didn't really check in the Goodwill. I just considered it was used because that part right here is ripped right here. So I was thinking it was used, but actually it's just folded in. There goes the piece right there, the flap, and I can easily sell this. It's the box overall is pretty good condition. This might be new actually, guys. So I bought this. It's a timer. It's a like a doggy treat, a doggy food timer and cat timer, whatever, either or. I got this for $10, guys, and I have it as used, and as used is going to make me $22 in profit, right? $22 in profit for $10, even as used. You see that? All right, but it might be new. I'm gonna give this a closer look, and at new it'll make me $28 in profit, guys. $28 in profit. So either way, it's a very good flip. Over 100% ROI, 200% actually. And yeah, that's my 3rd item, guys. So we're already at like what, 40 bucks in profit, pretty much over 40 bucks in profit. And last but not least, guys, this is the final finale. This is a big one. We have, and it's almost too big to pick up. Let me flip it over. We have this right here, which is like a Cuisinart ice cream maker, guys. This one right here, and actually the box is pretty beat up. The box is beat up a little bit. Check this out. See, the box is beat up at the top, whatnot, but it is actually new in the inside. I've already checked this one. It has the plastic, the manual, everything, all the parts, everything, and it actually is new. But I'm probably not gonna label it new, just because the box is way too beat up for me to label that new. Now you can label it new. I mean, you can take a risk. It's all up to you, really. But for me, I'm not gonna take that risk on this one, just because it's such a high ticket item, and I'm just not gonna take that risk on this big of an item. And guys, so I'm gonna list it as used, and just because I checked both of them, and it's 2,000 in kitchen with over 1,000 reviews, so you know that's the real BSR. 2,000 in kitchen. If it has over 1,000 reviews, you can pretty much guarantee that's the real BSR. And even as used, guys, I bought it for 20 bucks. I bought it for 20 bucks, and I put $21, and I'm still gonna make $97 in profit. $97 in profit, even as used, guys. Even though it is new, it like the actual product in the inside has the plastic, has the manual, has all the pieces, everything's there. It's not used, not one little scratch, not one little smudge. I know it's new. I would make $195 in profit. $195 in profit if I label this as new. But I'm not going to take that risk. Yeah, because brand new, this thing's going for $275 brand new. It's a Cuisinart like ice cream maker. Like, it's a legit ice cream maker. But but like I said, the box is pretty beat up. And like, it's such a high ticket item, I don't want to get any like return on this item, so I'm going to list it as used. I don't want to get flagged for trying to list it as new because of the box is beat up. You know, maybe Amazon might flag this. So I'm just gonna I'm not gonna take the risk on this one, guys, and I'm going to list it as used, and I'm still going to make 90. Let me check again. I forgot already. $97 profit, almost $100 profit, and I'm happy with that. I'm not greedy at all. That is perfectly fine with me. $97 in profit. I could have made 190, but I'm happy with 97. I'm totally happy. So there you guys have it, right there, 4 items, and if you do the math, it's over It's over $130 in profit right there. And I found these items in less than 5 minutes at the Goodwill, guys. And I only went to one Goodwill right before I went to the gym. I just did it. It was in my everyday life routine. I was going to the gym and I said, let me just stop by since it's right there. I just stopped by, happened to scan some stuff, and happened to find $130 plus in profits in less than 5 minutes. All I have to do now is ship it all in. I have some more items over there that I'm going to show you guys. Maybe for tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you like everything. And, you know, maybe we'll add up everything. And this has been just, you know, on my everyday life schedule. Like I said, I haven't been going out just to do retail arbitrage. I just do it while I'm out. And this is the type of money that you can make on a daily basis very easily. Well, that's it, right? Real simple, guys. Really simple. $130 profit plus in 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, to be honest. Yeah, there you have it. There you have it. You know what I'm saying? You got, oh man, I can see my glasses. Easy money. Anyone can do this. You guys see, all it takes is an app. All it takes is an app and a seller account on Amazon. And yeah, that's how simple it is, guys. I find a lot of good finds at the Goodwill and bargain stores. I love those stores because all the profits are 100, 200% ROI and even more. So I like those big flips. It kind of gives me, you know, time to relax with RA because I don't have to keep finding things over and over and over and over every single day. I can find stuff like this, you know, and even though I do it every day, I find stuff like this, I make big profits. It's kind of like, even if you're going to big box stores and you're looking at multiple stores, well, you can kind of hit home runs with one good haul at one Goodwill. You know what I mean? You can hit a home run and so fast too. So that's why I like doing bargain stores. They're my favorite. Even the used items, as you can see, I'm listing a lot of these as used. So that goes to show you guys that, you know, sometimes they have stuff like this Cuisinart ice cream maker in the Goodwill. They have that without the box, just sitting there, and you wouldn't even try to look it up. And that's what you need to do. You need to look up those items, especially those kitchen items. Waffle makers, muffin makers, ice cream makers, toasters, blenders, coffee makers. All that stuff is gold. Even the other electronics, DVD players, all that stuff is gold, guys. It's just that it takes time to actually sit there and look for the actual model and look for it on Amazon because there's no barcode to scan and it pops up. So, you know, it's kind of like, you know, we got the lazy route. You want that barcode, but you'll make a lot of money looking up the used items, even if they don't have boxes, guys. So there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. Yeah, you don't gotta go, but I'm out. It's peace and love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified. You already know. Yada, yada, yada. It's peace and love to the fam. I'll be back again. It's peace and love. I'm out. Peace.